Join us on a journey to explore the world of Brussels sprouts in this comprehensive video. Discover the fascinating history and cultural significance of these miniature cabbages, learn about their outstanding nutritional benefits, explore their potential medicinal uses, and unlock creative ways to incorporate Brussels sprouts into your daily diet for a healthier and more flavorful life. Brussels sprouts have a rich history and cultural significance that date back centuries. Here's a glimpse into their historical journey and cultural importance. Brussels sprouts, those petite green orbs that grace our plates today, have a history as intriguing as their taste. These tiny cabbages have their origins in the Mediterranean region and were first cultivated in what is now modern-day Belgium. Interestingly, they owe their name to the capital city of Belgium, Brussels, where they were initially popularized. Over time, Brussels sprouts made their way across Europe and eventually reached North America, where they continue to be celebrated in modern cuisine. While Brussels sprouts have undoubtedly been a culinary delight, they have also gained cultural significance. Their slow and steady growth on the stalk has turned them into a symbol of patience, persistence, and personal growth, adding a layer of cultural importance to these miniature cabbages. Brussels sprouts are a nutritional powerhouse, offering a wide range of health benefits due to their impressive nutrient profile. 1. Rich in vitamins. Brussels sprouts are an excellent source of several vitamins, including vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, and folate. 2. Minerals. They provide essential minerals like manganese. 3. Dietary fiber. Brussels sprouts are high in fiber, promoting digestive health, helping control blood sugar levels, and contributing to a feeling of fullness. 4. Antioxidants. These miniature cabbages are rich in antioxidants, such as camphorol and quercetin, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties and may contribute to overall well-being. 5. Cancer prevention. Brussels sprouts belong to the cruciferous vegetable family, known for their potential in cancer prevention. 6. Heart health. The high fiber content in Brussels sprouts can support heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels. 7. Digestive health. The dietary fiber in Brussels sprouts aids in digestion and regular bowel movements, promoting a healthy digestive system. 8. Weight management. Despite their nutritional richness, Brussels sprouts are low in calories, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. 9. Bone health. The vitamin K in Brussels sprouts is essential for bone health and may contribute to maintaining strong and healthy bones. 10. Skin health. The combination of vitamin C and antioxidants in Brussels sprouts promotes healthy skin and may help combat skin-related issues. 11. Immune support. Brussels sprouts' vitamin C content boosts the immune system and aids in collagen production, which is crucial for skin and wound healing. Incorporating Brussels sprouts into your diet can provide a wide array of health benefits. Their versatility in cooking methods and ability to complement various dishes make them a valuable addition to a balanced and nutritious diet. Brussels sprouts, while primarily known for their culinary appeal and nutritional benefits, also offer potential medicinal uses and health-promoting properties. Here are some of the potential medicinal uses of Brussels sprouts. 1. Anti-inflammatory effects. Brussels sprouts contain antioxidants like camphorol and quercetin, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Digestive health. The dietary fiber in Brussels sprouts supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. 3. Heart health. Brussels sprouts fiber content can help lower cholesterol levels, which is beneficial for heart health. 4. Cancer prevention. Brussels sprouts belong to the cruciferous vegetable family, known for their potential in cancer prevention. 5. Detoxification. The sulfur compounds in Brussels sprouts support the body's natural detoxification processes. 6. Blood sugar control. The fiber in Brussels sprouts can help regulate blood sugar levels. 7. Weight management. Brussels sprouts are low in calories and high in fiber, promoting a feeling of fullness and aiding in weight management. 8. Bone health. The vitamin K content in Brussels sprouts is essential for blood clotting and bone health. 9. Skin health. The combination of vitamin C and antioxidants in Brussels sprouts supports skin health by promoting collagen production. 10. Immune support. Brussels sprouts' vitamin C content boosts the immune system, enhancing the body's ability to fend off infections and illnesses. While Brussels sprouts offer these potential medicinal benefits, it's important to incorporate them into a balanced and varied diet to reap their full advantages. Consulting with a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized dietary recommendations is advisable, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Brussels sprouts are a versatile vegetable that can be prepared in various ways to suit different tastes and culinary preferences. Here are some common methods for using Brussels sprouts. 1. Roasting. Roasting Brussels sprouts brings out their natural sweetness and imparts a delightful caramelized flavor. 2. Sautéing. Sautéed Brussels sprouts are quick to prepare and can be flavored with various ingredients like garlic, onions, bacon, or herbs. 3. Steaming. Steaming is a healthy way to cook Brussels sprouts while preserving their nutrients. 4. Boiling. Boiling Brussels sprouts is another option. 5. Shredding for salads. You can thinly shred Brussels sprouts and add them to salads. 6. Stir-frying. Brussels sprouts can be incorporated into stir-fries. 7. Raw snacking. Brussels sprouts can also be enjoyed raw as a crunchy snack. 8. Adding to soups and stews. Brussels sprouts can be chopped and added to soups and stews for extra flavor and nutrition. 9. Crispy chips. Turn Brussels sprouts into crispy chips by slicing them thinly, tossing with olive oil and seasonings, and baking in the oven. 10. Pizza toppings. Brussels sprouts can be sliced and used as a unique and flavorful pizza topping. The versatility of Brussels sprouts allows for creative experimentation in the kitchen. You can combine them with various flavors, seasonings, and ingredients to create dishes that suit your taste preferences. Whether you enjoy them roasted, sautéed, or as a salad ingredient, Brussels sprouts can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your meals. Thank you for watching. Your support means the world to us.